buddy.
Well, we got Bertha flipped. So now I need to work on getting rid of the rest of the bark that's on her that I couldn't reach before. Put a little more bug spray in it, just for good measure. Look at that. That's from them darn carpenter bees. Although they drilled some nice holes for me to put the bug juice in there. Alright, maybe that's not so bad. Whoa. But that'll be next weekend. It's already Sunday afternoon, evening. And there's supposed to be a bad storm coming in about a half hour, and it kind of looks like it. So I'm going to cover her back up and get to her next weekend.